Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best portable door lock is probably one of the most underrated travel accessories for ensuring personal safety and security in hotel rooms. It's a simple yet effective device that can significantly enhance your peace of mind while traveling. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of portable door locks, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can provide an extra layer of protection during your hotel stays. Number 5. AceMining Portable Door Lock, Enhanced Security. This portable door lock offers extra security and privacy. It significantly improves your safety and prevents unauthorized entry, ensuring the door cannot be opened from the outside, even with a key. The lock is incredibly easy to install and remove. You can set it up in seconds without any tools, even in emergencies or low-light situations. Just insert the metal piece and secure the handle. It's made from strong stainless steel and durable ABS plastic. The steel surface is electroplated and polished for a smooth touch, ensuring it's built to last and safe to handle. This security door stopper is perfect for various settings. It's ideal for hotels, dorms, apartments, and short-term rentals. It can also prevent pets from leaving and children from opening doors to strangers. The lock's compact design allows for easy portability. You can easily carry it in your pocket or bag. If you have any questions, please contact us immediately. What we like. This lock provides an extra layer of security, making you feel safer in any environment. It's incredibly easy to set up, even in a hurry. If you are looking for a simple yet effective way to enhance your security, this is the perfect choice. It's made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability and peace of mind. What people say. Works great and use it in every hotel we go to. This prevented them from coming in on us without notice. It is a two-piece mechanical locking device that is connected together with a little piece of chain. The installation is easy, after you finally figure out how the thing works, but it does take a little dexterity to put the parts in the door jamb correctly. Purchase this for a friend who likes a little extra security on her doors and they work perfect and she feels absolutely safe with them. Number 4. WINONLY Portable Door Lock for Travel. This portable door lock has multiple sizes to fit most doors, adding extra security to your room. It prevents unauthorized entry, especially when traveling and staying in hotels. It's small but holds the door shut firmly, providing an extra layer of security and peace of mind. This travel door lock is small enough to carry in a pocket or handbag. It's a convenient device for extra security at home, in hotels, apartments, dormitories, bathrooms, and bedrooms. It provides effective safety and protection wherever you go. No nails or screws are needed for this portable door lock. Simply insert the metal part into the door jamb, close the door, and insert the red handle. No one can get in, and you can remove it quickly in an emergency. It's designed for your safety. The WINONLY travel door lock is upgraded for better performance and durability. Made of heavy-duty steel, it's built to last. The electroplating and polishing technology ensures a smooth touch, preventing any injury. It provides secondary security for travelers and anyone seeking extra protection. This portable travel door lock is warranted against manufacturing defects. WINONLY is responsible for user-related damage or damage during installation. The warranty is valid if the door lock is not subjected to abnormal conditions. It brings you additional safety, security, and privacy. What we like. This lock is designed to fit most doors, providing a secure fit in various situations. It's small enough to carry with you, making it ideal for travelers. If you are a frequent traveler or someone who values convenience and security, this is a great option. The smooth touch adds to the overall user experience. What people say. It was very easy to use, and even has two options on the metal plate for different types of door latches. It takes about 10 seconds to set it up on your door. It is very minimalist. It is very sturdy. Somebody would need to really break in the door on purpose to break this. Definitely portable and easy to use. Number 3. Portable door lock and stop alarm set, dual protection. This set provides dual protection for your home or hotel room. It includes a portable door lock and a door stop alarm, offering peace of mind wherever you are. This is a great helper for you when you are on business and trips or live alone. The door stop alarm features a stainless steel pressure plate and a non-slip bottom. It has 3 sensitivity levels and a 120 dB siren. Once someone opens the door, it will go off in the first place, scaring away bad guys and helps wake you and give you time to find help. The portable door lock provides extra security and privacy. It prevents unauthorized entry and can be removed quickly in emergencies. It's perfect for travel, hotels, or anyone needing added security. Both the lock and alarm are small and easy to carry. They can be installed in seconds without tools. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. Use this set in hotels, apartments, dorms, and more. If you have any issues, we offer excellent customer service and will respond within 24 hours. We will negotiate a suitable plan for you. What we like. This product offers dual protection with a door lock and a door stop alarm. It's easy to install and use, providing quick security. If you are looking for comprehensive security with an added alarm feature, this is the perfect choice. It's a great way to deter intruders and enhance your safety. What people say. The door lock fits most standard doors, and the stopper adds an extra layer of protection. Installation takes seconds, and once in place, the door feels completely secure. It works very well. It doesn't budge when yanking on the door, and I mean yanking and hitting it hard, and the floor piece has a very loud alarm that's very sensitive. Number 2. Portable door lock and door stop alarm security kit. This portable door lock offers an extra layer of security and privacy. It significantly boosts your safety and prevents unwanted entry, ensuring the door remains securely closed from the outside. The kit includes a door stopper alarm with a 120 dB siren. If someone attempts to open the door, the alarm immediately sounds, deterring intruders and alerting you, giving you time to seek assistance. Installation is quick and tool-free, taking only seconds. It's perfect for various settings like hotels, dorms, apartments, and private rooms. It can also prevent pets from escaping or children from opening the door to strangers. We guarantee the quality of this security kit. If you're not satisfied or encounter any issues, we're here to help. We'll respond within 24 hours to find a solution. The package includes a door stop alarm, a portable door lock, instructions, a storage bag, and a gift package. Everything you need for added security is included. What we like. This product offers dual protection with a door lock and a door stop alarm. It's easy to install and use, providing quick security. If you are looking for comprehensive security with an added alarm feature, this is the perfect choice. It's a great way to deter intruders and enhance your safety. What people say. This is a great product. After traveling and staying in some sketchy hotel rooms, we take this with us. Great product. Very loud alarm which definitely adds an extra layer of comfort when home alone. Very durable build and fits well. It is a great product to have when staying at hotels. Number 1. Trustella Heavy-Duty Portable Door Lock. Tired of feeling unsafe? This device provides extra privacy and security wherever you go. It's perfect for travel or at home, ensuring peace of mind. Made with heavy-duty stainless steel, this lock is built for toughness and durability. You can trust it to keep you safe and secure. Traveling soon? This lock is TSA approved and designed for easy portability. Its compact design allows it to slip easily into your pocket or carry-on. Setup is quick and tool-free. Silicone caps are included to prevent scratches and stop any unwanted movement. Please note that this lock is designed for inward opening hinged doors only. Ensure your door has a minimum 2 mm gap. It is not suitable for sliding, double, or outward opening doors. What we like. This lock is built to last with heavy-duty stainless steel, ensuring long-term reliability. It's also TSA approved, making it perfect for travel. If you are a frequent traveler who values both security and convenience, this is the perfect choice. It's easy to set up and provides peace of mind. What people say. It definitely kept the door from moving. I used this and felt very secure. Great for a door that is not level with the frame. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.